Hey everyone, it's Philip with iRobot here. We're back again. This time we're going to learn everything there is to learn about this guy, the Roomba i3. You can see why it's such a great robot, why it'd be a great fit in your home. So, the Roomba i3 is perfect for anyone that wants clean floors every day without the hassle. And let me just add in there, it comes at a fantastic price. Alright, let's dive right in. To keep your floors extra clean, you're going to need more than just suction power. It's a good thing the Roomba i3 has a premium 3-stage cleaning system. With dual multi-surface rubber brushes that work together to keep your floors thoroughly clean. One brush is going to loosen and agitate the dirt, while the other moves in the opposite direction to extract and pull it in. Instead of bristles that can, bend and miss a lot of dirt, our unique, flexible rubber brushes are going to automatically adjust to any floor type you have in your home. That includes area rugs, tile, laminate, or hardwood floors. Oh, and I need to mention, these rubber brushes are also tangle-free, so that long hair or pesky pet hair won't be tangling up around these guys. With a specially designed edge-sweeping brush at a 27-degree angle, it's going to knock dirt and debris that's originally out of the reach of the robot down into the Roomba's path. And with a powerlifting suction, it's going to deliver 10 times the air power compared to 600 series robots for improved pickup performance and cleaner floors. And with a dirt detect sensor, it's going to allow Roomba i3 to focus cleaning where it's needed the most, like the dirtiest areas of your home. This is great because as an owner of 2 dogs, knowing Roomba can focus on where my dog's coming in and out of the house, it's going to help maintain those clean floors all year round. With an intelligent navigation system, know that your Roomba i3 is going to be able to clean an entire level of your home while doing this in a grid-style pattern. It can do this by using a floor tracking sensor to help navigate your home and optimize the coverage of it. And with reactive sensor technology, it's going to tell the Roomba i3 where it can and cannot reach, which means less getting stuck on furniture and more knowing where to go in your home. This is great because who wants a vacuum under their bed or try to reach under the dining room table? With recharge and resume ability, know that your Roomba i3 can handle any size home. By that, I mean, if Roomba's on the other side of the house, the battery starts to run low, Roomba i3 is going to know it's time for me to head home, recharge my battery. Once I'm done, I'm going right back to where I left off. I'm going to continue to do this until the job is complete. This is great for larger homes or homes with a lot of carpet in it. With Imprint Link technology, know that you can come home every day to completely clean floors. You can do this in the iRobot Home app by telling your Roomba i3 to go out and vacuum the entire level of your home. When it finishes, it's going to tell the BravaJet M6 it's your turn. You can set this up on demand, or you can set this up as a repeating schedule so you can make this fit your life and your work schedule. How awesome is that, knowing each day when you come home from work, you're going to have not only vacuum floors, but those shiny mopped ones as well. By using the iRobot Home app, you're going to unlock a more intuitive clean, where you can control and schedule cleanings to stay ahead of those everyday messes. Roomba i3 learns the places and times you clean the most. You can even save these as favorites in the app for quick and easy access. Roomba can also suggest cleaning schedules based on your cleaning habits and the busiest times. These custom recommendations even alert you when the pollen count is high in your area or when it's pet shedding season. And it's going to suggest a personalized cleaning program that works hard for both you and your home. You can also monitor your robot's status, view cleaning history, and watch maintenance videos. The app even updates your robot with the latest software, so it's always up to date with the newest features. This is awesome. My Roomba's going to suggest extra cleaning when it knows my pets are shedding like crazy. What can't Roomba do? And with smart home capability, know that your Roomba i3 can go clean your entire home without even lifting a single finger. Roomba i3 has voice assistant capability through Google Assistant
and Alexa-enabled devices. By just the sound of your voice, your Roomba i3 is going to take off and go and clean your entire home. Which reminds me, I haven't had Roomba go clean yet today. And I don't know where my phone is. Alexa, tell Roomba i3 to go clean, please.
Would you like to tell Poseidon to mop when i3 is done?
No, thank you.
Okay, i3 has started vacuuming.
Your robots can also communicate with your smart door locks, thermostats, garage door openers, and other select devices to start cleaning when you leave the house and stop cleaning when you get home. These routines are designed to fit your ever-changing lifestyle and schedule, and these are all powered by IFTTT.
Okay, so we've made it to the end. We've seen the Roomba i3 in action. We've also learned everything possible about it. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and order yourself one and start taking advantage of all that free time and clean floors every day. You'll be thanking me later. Thanks for watching, everyone.